I have a Whirlpool Duet washer. It's about 17 years old. I keep putting money into it. I've replaced bearings. I've replaced the pump in it. And now the thing's wanting to walk out the door, so it's out of balance. It gets out of balance or whatever, and the shocks are just wore out. So I bought some shocks. They're 35 bucks. They're really easy to change out. I thought I'd just make a quick video on how to do that. You know, I thought these were air filled or something. They're just damp. You can call them shocks, dampers, shock absorbers, struts, whatever you want to call them. But all they are is a piece of Teflon in there with some grease and a shaft. And I think the Teflon on the ones I have are just wore out. So I'm going to show you how quick it is, how easy it is to change these out. I bought these for 35 bucks on Amazon, and the link will be in the description. You don't have to take them out nice. You just break them out, get them out because you don't care about it, and then put the new ones in. And you don't have to go into the back of the washer. You don't have to take the front of the washer off. You don't have to take the back off. If you're careful enough, you can do it just by reaching in there and changing it out. I can get the camera in better on this side, so I'm going to show you on this side. Just turn this one at the top. You can hit that little tab and then turn that. That one, the top one's off. The bottom one, see if my arm will be in the way. Try to hit this little tab on the side. Where's the plug? So that one hit the tab on the side there. And you can go either way. There we go. And that one will pop out. Man, that one's wore out. Look at that. Just falls apart. Make sure you put these on the right way. This side is at the bottom. Alright, so put that one in. That clicks in. Do the top one. And then turn it 90 degrees. Alright, done. Now to attempt the back ones. But this thing is just wore out. Look at that, it just falls apart. And the new one I can't hardly push back and forth. Okay, the right side of the washer, you can see it better. Again, I don't care about these old ones, so I'm just going to break them. I'm not going to do the tabs or anything, just go ahead and break it out. There we go, and then the top one, let me get my right arm in there. That one just turned right out. Alright, put the bottom in first, make sure there's no plastic down in there. Do that and just turn it. Lock it into place. Oop. That folded over on me. Alright, let's see. And turn it. Locked in place. That should fix this thing from walking out the door. Here's a couple additional things you can check on your washer while you're working on it. Just take the drum and push up on it, and if it clicks or moves like it pops or whatever, most likely the bearings back there are bad. If your drum stays full of water, you don't have to buy the whole pump assembly. You can just buy the pump itself right here. I don't remember what I paid for that one, but I ended up having to replace that. One other thing I'd like to suggest is a water leak detector for your washing machine. So if you have a leak problem, it can at least alarm you. It'll send an alarm to your app on your phone, which is nice. I just put mine right back here in the pan. It should catch any water that's coming off of the hoses and also leaking out of the washer. At least you'll be informed that you have a leak. So I hope this video helped you replace your shock absorbers.